Hi everyone. So this week we introduced the lesson Unit 1 Week 5. It was about families and what happens when families work together and what happens when they collaborate. Everyone has a job or works together at home. What kind of things we can contribute to each other. So let's start. So the phonics lesson this week was short I and long I. Short I as in lip, pig, win, and long I as in shine, line, and dime. These are the words that students should be aware of, like did, fin, pick, made, cape, hike, side, and so on. These are some words that we blended, like bride, dine, lid, tin, fin. Here we blended some words like bin and hike. These are just some sentences with the words in them. So, these are the spelling words that students were assessed to write, and words like did, fin, pick, the ones that they should be aware of. These are some high frequency words like often, set, together, own, and so on. These are the words in sentences. Okay, now moving on to vocabulary. So this is the vocabulary section for this week. We had words like check, choose, chores, cost, customers, job, spend, and tools. This is the page that's in the book. This is reinforced vocabulary so that we make sure students actually understand the words, and we also gave them an extra worksheet. This is the text for this week. It's called Family's Work, and it actually explains about, it speaks about a family that works together, and each person has a job, or each person has chores that they have to do in the house, and how they spend money on things that they should and some things that they shouldn't. Okay, moving on to grammar, we talked about adding ses or ed to nouns, and we actually reviewed the plural and the singular nouns, and we had to actually review also if we add ed, it means that the action happened in the past. Also, grammar here, we were expanding sentences, so we added details to the subject or to the predicate. We did a lot of exercises, and students now know how to expand either the predicate or the subject, or even both. Here we added we combined the sentences by using and. So instead of having two sentences, we make it into one if we have the same subject, or we combine the predicates. Here we add quotation marks, like why don't you help dad? So I explained to the students where and when we add quotation marks. Here is some practice for the grammar. And then the writing part, write about a job you wish to have in the future. So that was pretty much it for this week. Thank you guys.